In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. First, open Excel and select the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. Next, go to the Data tab in the top menu and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, go to the Settings tab. Under Allow, select List from the drop-down menu. Now, you need to select the values for your drop-down list. You have two options. You can either type in the values manually or select a range of cells. If you choose to type in the values manually, separate each value with a comma. If you choose to select a range of cells, click on the little icon in the Source field and then select the range. Click OK to close the data validation window. Now, when you click on the cell, a drop-down arrow will appear. You can select any value from the list, and it will automatically appear in the cell. If you want to change the values in the drop-down list, you can go back to the data validation window and make the edits. You can also add more cells with drop-down lists by copying and pasting the cell with the data validation. To remove the drop-down list, just select the cell and go back to the data validation window. In the Settings tab, select any value from the Allow menu and click OK. Now, the drop-down arrow will disappear, and the cell will return to its normal state. Creating drop-down lists in Excel is useful for organizing and categorizing data, making data entry more efficient. You can use drop-down lists in various applications, such as expense tracking, project management, or inventory management. Remember to save your Excel file after creating the drop-down lists, so that the changes are retained. With this simple technique, you can make your Excel spreadsheets more user-friendly and easier to manage. Now you know how to create a drop-down list in Excel, so go ahead and try it out.